Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create blue abstract water ripple or swirl texture effect background in Adobe Photoshop. Please watch entire tutorial. Click on set background color. R158, G237, B248. Go to filter menu and render and cloud. Make duplicate layer. Apply multiply blending mode. Make duplicate layer 3 times with multiple blending mode. Create new layer. Go to filter menu and render and clouds. Go to filter menu and filter gallery. Sketch and chrome. Details 7 and smoothness 9. Again go to filter menu and distort and twirl. Angle 530. Go to image menu and adjustments and hue and saturation. Ctrl U. Preset genotype. Blending mode hard light. Make duplicate layer. Go to image menu and adjust and levels. Ctrl L. Input levels 0 and 0.31 and 241. Output levels 0 and 182. Erase tool shortcut E. Click to open the preset picker. Select top round preset size. Increase the erase tool size. Use close square bracket. Opacity 100% and flows 100%. Press the center with the erase tool. Decrease the erase tool size. Shortcut start square bracket. Press the center with the erase tool. Blending mode multiply. Make duplicate layer. Blending mode vivid light. Finally, your blue colored abstract water swirl background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create water texture effect background design in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.